Hey everybody, this is Dustin Across, bringing you the latest Bring a Trailer vehicle. It's an 83 CJ-5 Golden Eagle clone. It's got a Walker Evans, Beadlock wheels. It also has a YJ suspension with box shocks, worn front bumper with a worn anniversary winch. Also is a CJ drivetrain. This is a fuel injected 4-liter inline 6 with a 6-speed manual transmission. It also has 488 gears, ARB Lockers, new axle shafts and hubs. It's got custom seats, new gauges. This thing's gonna be a lot of fun for somebody.